Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad you decided to stop by. And if you've been with me for a while, thanks for coming back. You know I'm all about sharing the tools, tips, and strategies that can help you level up online. So today, we're diving into something that's been getting a lot of buzz recently, and that's Gladiator Profits. It's a system that promises to help you generate income online without all the usual headaches that come with affiliate marketing, things like building websites, creating complicated funnels, or dealing with techie tools. Sounds like a dream, right? But is it the real deal? Let's break it down. Now let's talk about what Gladiator Profits actually offers. The idea behind it is pretty simple. You're getting a fully done-for-you system that helps you turn freebie seekers into paying customers. For those of you who are already familiar with affiliate marketing, you'll know that a huge part of it is getting someone from being just a casual browser or someone looking for free content to someone who's ready to pull out their credit card and make a purchase. This is where Gladiator Profits claims to have the secret sauce. Here's the deal. With Gladiator Profits, you don't have to worry about building a website, designing sales pages, creating your own products, or even handling emails. All of that is done for you. Yes, you heard me right. The system gives you pre-built funnels, landing pages, and email sequences that are already optimized for conversions. That's a huge win for anyone who's just starting out and doesn't want to deal with the steep learning curve of setting up everything from scratch. One of the standout features here is that you don't need to create content. No videos, no reviews, no blog posts, nothing. All you need to do is give away a free product, like an ebook or video training. And this is where Gladiator Profits really shines. The idea is simple. You offer a valuable product for free to attract potential buyers, and the system automatically handles the rest. Once people opt in for the free product, the system sends them automated emails, nurtures them, and eventually leads them down a path to becoming paying customers. The best part? You keep 100% of the commission on any sales they make. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds too good to be true. I get it. A lot of these online money-making systems promise the world, but then fall short when it comes to delivering real value. So, let's dig a little deeper into how this actually works. Gladiator Profits gives you access to their proven funnels and sales pages, which are designed to convert. These are the same types of funnels used by top affiliates in the industry. They've been tested and tweaked over time to maximize sales. So you're not just getting a generic template, you're getting something that's been optimized to work. The big selling point here is that you don't need any technical skills. No need to worry about integrating payment systems, setting up autoresponders, or any of the techie stuff that typically comes with affiliate marketing. Everything is taken care of for you. You don't even need to be an expert in marketing or sales copy. Gladiator Profits handles it all behind the scenes. You're essentially getting a franchise-style business model that allows you to tap into a proven system without all the barriers to entry that usually hold people back. But, of course, there are always some considerations. Like any online business opportunity, success depends on how well you execute. While Gladiator Profits provides the tools, you still need to put in the work. Yes, it's easy to get started and the setup is quick, but just like with any business, you'll need to stay engaged and be proactive about promoting the free product and driving traffic to your funnels. Luckily, Gladiator Profits gives you the structure and support you need to make that easier. Another thing worth mentioning is the price. Right now, Gladiator Profits is available at a special one-time price. But, and here's the catch, they're going to be switching to a monthly subscription soon. So, if you're thinking about jumping in, now's the time to get in at the best deal. You'll lock in access to everything for a one-time payment. And when they switch to a subscription model, you won't have to pay anything extra. Now, I know a lot of you are probably wondering if this is really sustainable. And while I can't guarantee that you're going to be rolling in cash overnight, Gladiator Profits does offer a legitimate, low-risk way for beginners to enter the world of affiliate marketing. The system is straightforward, there's no complicated setup, and if you're willing to put in the effort, it can be a great way to start earning commissions without the usual barriers. So, there you have it. Gladiator Profits is definitely worth checking out if you're looking for a hands-off, done-for-you affiliate marketing system that removes a lot of the headaches that come with building an online business. If you want to take the plunge, check out the link down below. Let me know in the comments what you think, or if you've tried Gladiator Profits yourself, I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.